Let's take a look at our gold USD, which is our XAU USD for the day. Starting with our daily time frame, on the long term run, we can see we are actually on a bearish move. No how, no how. We have actually been having this huge fall on our daily time frame, and once our daily time frame showing us a multiple break of structure downward, we should actually be aiming to short this our gold, except except you want to trade otherwise. That is up to you, but to me, I look to actually take shots my gold when it is on a daily time frame. It is showing me a bearish move. Now back to the matter, as you can see, for the day we would want to predict our move. Starting with our trend line, we can see this pullback, push up, push down, sorry. We saw this pullback, we saw this another fall again, and we added this little pullback. Once we add this little pullback, we are actually aiming for a fall again, and guess what, our gold is now actually falling. But I will be waiting the next day. Once our gold opens and our gold manages to break this our previous lower lows, then I will take my sell on my gold. By the way, that is exactly what I will advise you to do. If you are to short, if you are to trade this your gold, I will advise you wait, let our gold itself break our previous lower lows before you consider shorting this our gold. Because if you decide to short it now, who knows if our price can reverse. But let's see if our price will actually break our previous lower lows. As you can see, our price is currently at our previous lower lows. At least we have about 18 to 20 pips more for our gold to get to our previous lower lows. But if it breaks below it, then it is actually a good time to actually short our position. That is on our 4-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame is actually on a bearish move downward. Also, daily time frame is showing us sell. 4-hour is actually showing us sell, but to actually execute this our sell, then wait for our price to break below this wick here, this huge pin bar where our price pushes up. If our price breaks below it, then good opportunity to actually take our sell. And now on our 1-hour time frame, you can see it here, actually a pullback, fall. See this pullback here on 1-hour time frame, and now we're actually on a fall. Price actually aiming to go below it. So the same thing we are aiming to do on our gold is to actually short this our gold. So that is the analysis for the day. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video.